Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeanette with Jeanette's Reviews, and today I have another unpackaging of Nadine West. This is my fourth package with Nadine West, and it's come a little bit different. Normally it comes in a great big hot pink puffy sparkly envelope, and this time it's just in a regular pink envelope, which is really kind of a good sign, I think, for the company. I think that means that they've had a growth spurt and they are just, you know, shipping stuff out so fast they can't probably keep up. I did have an email from them saying if shipping was slow, bear with them, don't worry about anything. They'll extend your return date because they are definitely having a growth spurt. So this is my fourth package, and I'm gonna get in here and see what we've got. Hold on to your envelope because this is what you will send back your items that you do not want in, and they will include a shipping label for you to put back on the front of that and return. And here I've got two bundles, and it looks like my packing slip that explains what is in here. If you can see that, what the prices are. Now in the description box down below, I am going to link a code to where you can get your first package free, plus free earrings just for using my promo code. Normally the packages are $9.78, but you get to apply that $9.78 to anything that you keep inside. So let's see what we've got here in our first little bundle. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see what we've got here. We'll just start with this. It's a cute little bag. It looks like oranges or peaches on it. And then it feels like sunglasses. And it is. It's a pair of sunglasses. You can see those very well. See the sides. Kind of like a leopard print. And these are called Bottle Cap Assorted Sunglasses for $11.99. Comes in a little pouch. You can keep them nice and clean. Actually, it's like one of those, it feels like that silky cloth that you can clean the lenses with. So anyway, kind of cute. So we'll see about those. I like them. They fit nice and snug. I don't like when they feel like they're going to slide down your nose. So, and the packages come wrapped in the tissue with a little sticker on there. It says Nadine West. And in this first bundle, we have a top called the Victoria, and it's in the color wine, and it is $20.99. And it is by Bailey Collection. You can see that. And it is a long sleeve for fall in a wine color, really soft, rounded hem. Just that soft jersey knit material. And then it has the detail at the neck, keyhole. That's cute, very cute. I like the color and I like how soft that is. And then next we have a pair of leggings. They're called Lattice Love in black, and these are $24.99. They look like they are a capri, perhaps, I don't know. It might be long on me because I'm really short. I'm only 5'2", and normally I have like a 29-30 inseam. So they have this little detail here at the bottom. That's cute. And they're really nice thick nylon material. They have the waistband that says love all the way around it. No, it doesn't look like no pockets or anything of that nature. So just a really cute pair of silky black capri leggings. I'm not sure. We'll see how long these are. So we'll try those. And then we have some jewelry. And the first one is a necklace called Equinox, and it's a multi-tone. It's kind of a longer necklace that does have the adjustments, so you can make it shorter if you choose to. And it's a little tangled here. Get this untangled. I don't know if you can see that. It's a multi-silver and gold tone. And this one is $24.99. And then there's also some earrings. These are called the Starlight Star Bright in gold. And these look like they have starfish on them. You can see that very well. Those are cute. They're a thick metal, heavy but not like too heavy for your ear to pull down on your ear, but they're a substantial thickness, no cheapies. So those are cute. I'll try those. And then my next bundle here, it's wrapped the same. Just one item in here, and it's red. And this is the Pamela dress in red. Never had a fancier dress sent. I've had a sweatshirt dress sent to me that I loved and I want more of. If you're listening, Nadine West, would really love to have some more in that style. Maybe a black with white stripes or something. This looks like a fit and flare, possibly to the knee. It's just a silky material. And it has the faux wrap detail in the front. That's cute. It's really cute. Short sleeve. So we'll try these items, and I'll be right back with the try-on. Okay, I'm back with the first item, and I decided to try the dress on first. This one is a little snug. I'm not sure what size it is that they sent me. I'm gonna grab my sheet and see here. It doesn't say on the sheet, so I have to look on the dress again. It is a fit and flare. It fits nice. The length is good. It's just a little snug on top, a little form-fitting in the bust area. So this wouldn't really be work appropriate, I don't think. It's cute. It's a good price. It's a nice dress. There's no pockets or anything. I just think it's a little form-fitting for me. I'm not sure what size this is. I'm gonna have to look, but anyway, it's cute. It's a pretty color. I don't know. I have to think about this one and try on the other items. I am back with the second outfit, and this is the top with the leggings. They both fit very nice. So the leggings do fit me at full length. They come all the way down to my ankle. They have that nice little detail down here. I love the top. It's so comfortable, super soft. Like the little detail at the neck. And the earrings, you can see, coming closer. Very nice. Not too heavy. With the glasses, you know, rocking a weekend outfit here. You know, cute. So, the necklace. The dress, I'm a little on the fence about. I think it'd be better someone maybe a little bit younger. It'd be more maybe for my daughter who's 22. I think it would look great on her if it was in her size. I would keep it. But it's also in the material that feels like it would snag very easily to where you'd have to be careful rubbing up against things with it on. But anyway, this is that second outfit. The necklace. It's cute. I don't think I'll be keeping it for the price point. This was $24.99. It's cute, it's pretty. I don't think the quality is quite there, especially in the chain. Feels a little bit too costumey to me. I mean, that's cute, but I want something a little bit more substantial for $24. The earrings, they are definitely a keeper, and I'm really liking this shirt and the leggings, so I just don't know about that dress. It's a pretty dress. I don't know if it's for me at my age. You know, I am 52, so wearing something like that is really kind of out of my realm. Glasses, they fit great. I usually have a hard time finding glasses that are tight enough to not slide down. These are perfect. I think I'll be keeping these. And try out Nadine West. Get your first package free. Get free earrings in your first package if you use my code. You know, can't hurt free earrings, you know. If you don't like anything in the package, you're getting some free earrings. And I think you'd be really pleased though with the service. They have great customer service, one-on-one with you through email if you have any questions. And they are really growing, so I'm happy for the company, and I'm glad to be receiving items from them. And stay tuned to my channel, and please subscribe. I do have a Gwenny bee that got dropped off on the porch today, and I upped my items to 3 per package, so that should be exciting. Get those tried on, and I'll do a video of those. So you all take care.